As you can see, the buffers here are already installed because first, we've been using this toilet seat for a while, and second, I'd like to show you what they actually look like. Here's how they look like in the assembly instructions. I'm taking off the rubber cap that covers the screws which hold the buffers, and I need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws as well as install them back. This is how it looked before installation. Now I'm installing the buffers with the help of a Phillips screwdriver. Before tightening the screws, you should align the buffers with your toilet bowl. The best would be if it's strictly parallel to the toilet bowl. It's a bit tricky not to lose the screws in the toilet. As soon as it's in its place, you can tighten the screws and put the rubber cap on. On all the versions of the Aldi toilet seats, these buffers were of an oval shape, and one should have just replaced the regular ones with these, without any screws. These buffers make the seat really sturdy. You have a good-looking, stable, soft-close toilet seat for around $10. I find it's a great deal. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more of useful infos.